Welcome to Tuscany, a region that feels like stepping into a painting. Known for its rolling hills, golden wheat fields and endless vineyards, Tuscany is the heart of Italy's countryside charm. Panoramic views of sun-kissed hills dotted with cypress trees and charming farmhouses. Scenic drives through the iconic Chianti wine region, lined with olive groves and vineyard estates. Wander through the cobblestone streets of San Gimignano, famous for its medieval towers and world-renowned gelato. Visit Siena with its stunning Piazza del Campo and Gothic-style cathedral. Discover Pisa, home to the iconic Leaning Tower. Dive into art and history in Florence, where masterpieces like Michelangelo's David and Botticelli's The Birth of Venus await. Admire the Duomo and its stunning red dome, a symbol of Renaissance architecture. Savor the flavors of Tuscany with dishes like ribollita pappardelle with wild boar sauce and bistecca alla fiorentina. Sip on world-famous wines including Chianti Classico Brunello di Montalcino and Vino Nobile di Montepulciano. Relax in the thermal waters of Saturnia or explore the rugged beauty of Val d'Orcia, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Whether you're strolling through vineyards, marveling at medieval architecture, or indulging in Tuscan cuisine, the region's charm lies in its timeless beauty and authenticity. Subscribe to our channel for more enchanting journeys.